Alright, I wanted to show you these two large trash cans that I have. This one here I think is 50 gallons. That one's 64 gallons. So I want to show you how they compare, how much trash you can reasonably fit in each of these. So you can see this 50 gallon one is packed full right now, and the 64 gallon one right now is empty. So I'm going to transfer all the bags from this one into that one and show you how much more space is still left in that one. Alright, so this one's empty now. Still got some nasty stuff there at the bottom, but I'm not going to worry about that. Remember, this one was overfilling at first, and there's still a little bit of space there at the top there. So there's probably room for another 2, 3, maybe even 4 bags. So that kind of gives you an idea of the space difference. This one is definitely a bit bigger. Side by side, they take up about the same amount of space. That one's just a little bit taller, a little bit wider. Either one of them fits really well in our garage. This one holds a lot. That one holds just a little bit more. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.